through it all, we learn that love isn't about being perfect. It's about always choosing each other even in the hardest moments.
Paano nga ba ang magmahal? Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung ano ang pakiramdam ng mahalin at magmahal ng totoo. Not until I have Faye. Naramdaman kong kamahal-mahal pala ako at kaya ko ding magbigay ng pagmamahal na totoo.
When I love, I want to feel everything. Because to me, love is real when you choose it every single day. It's accepting, growing, and finding ways to be better together.
As long as we have each other, we find joy in every moment na meron kami. Tinuturing naming safe zone ang isa't isa lalo sa mga panahong hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakapit.
Kahit ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit magbago ang ikot ng mundo, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko. Wala nang iba, ikaw lang sinta. Oh yeah.
Honestly, our biggest challenges have come from our differences. There are times when we didn't see eye to eye, but through it all, we learned that love isn't about being perfect. It's about always choosing each other even in the hardest moments.
Sa totoo lang, hindi madali ang magmahal. Walang guidelines, walang tamang formula. Ang alam ko lang, nasa tamang tao na ako. Na kaya kong tanggapin at mahalin ng buong buo.
I promise to always choose you, not just on the easy days, but especially on the hard ones. To love you not just for who you are now, but for who you'll become.
Hindi ako nangangako magiging perfectong partner ako sa iyo. Pero gagawin ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya para maging mabuting partner sa iyo. I can't wait to be with you for the rest of my life.